Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got my friend's 85 Toyota that just got dropped off. It's super nice shape. Always love working on these old Toyotas, as you know. Yeah, she's getting the full all-pro lift, 4-inch front and back. So it's gonna have a spring hanger, so gotta cut these off. And then we're gonna cut that old mount off and put some shock hoops on there. The nicer shackles. Yeah, this thing should ride a lot better than this suspension that's on here. I'm gonna have to cut, or gonna have to move these forward. It comes with new mounts, go about 6 inches forward. I think these ones probably gotta move these back a little bit. But yeah, it's gonna have the longer leaf springs on here. And yep, here's the kit. Got the shock hoops, some nice steel braided lines. Here's the mounts that go on right here. Yup, right there. Here's those leaf springs. Definitely quite a bit longer. Pretty heavy. Here's the spring hanger. All fun stuff. U-bolt flip kit. We got nice shiny new shackles. Oh yeah, 5-inch shackles. The standard size. There's the front leaves. I do like all pro. They're supposed to be US made. Not sure if they still are after getting bought out by Trail Gear, but hopefully they are. But yeah, what else we got in here? Some more U-bolt flip kits, steering stabilizer. Yeah, I got this is the extreme lift. It doesn't come with shocks for some reason, but I guess we can just order those. But yep, here she is. This thing is super nice shape. I painted this truck about 4 years ago. Paint's still pretty glossy. Original wheels on here. But yeah, I think this thing's gonna come back later to put a V8 in there. V8 in here, 1UZ, maybe 2UZ. But for now, we're just doing the suspension. And yeah, let you know how it goes. Don't forget to spray your rusty parts. Rusty, crusty parts with the spray can.
And safety shades.
Oh, and the leaf spring. Yes, sir. At least we are. The shackle's coming off.
Okay, I'm gonna spray them.
Spray the crusty stuff. Yeah. This truck's in pretty cherry shape. So this whole rear end's coming out. It's getting a V6 diff and rear axle. Originally stock, these 85 Toyotas came with 1.5 inches more narrow front too, actually. Let's see how much hubs are showing. All right, give her hell. All this stuff gotta come out the bed. Oh, it's the Christmas. Oh, we got a broken tailgate over here. Look at that little weird. Here's a solution to your problems. Pink. Nice and easy with the tailgate. Oh. Tell me you're a carpenter without telling me you're a carpenter when you have these vans.
Looks like we got some.
That's a fancy thing to cover welders.
High steer? More high steer.
How many high steers do you need on one truck? This one already has high steer.
myself.
Get it, Bam Bam.
Bam, 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 bam.
It's the tip.
No, next time.
Not today. Now it is. Look at that. Would you look at that? I warn you, all you Toyota people, please take this stupid guard off. It's pointless. It just gets you in your way and you want to just kick and scream because you can't get to your drive shaft bolts. Take that off and do yourselves a favor. Drive shaft's not quite long enough.
That's what she said.
Whoa. This is a PG film, Taylor. Okay, never mind. This guy likes to live dangerously. Knock these bolts out while this axle is 6 feet in the air. Oh, it's a lowrider 4x4. There you go. Oh, this thing just rolls like way too easy. Helps to have nice concrete. For sure. Show you what it takes. There we go. Phase 1 complete. Next, we're gonna cut this off so I can put this on or leave it. Just kidding, I'm not leaving that. Has these All-Pro U-bolt flip plates, 1/2 inch thick. You can even bolt the bump stops right to these. Beefy. Pretty much tell the difference here. This is definitely quite a bit wider, about 1.5 inches wider. And the factory 85 axle. The gap is bigger. And putting on the V6 diff, definitely bigger. Definitely upgrades. You gotta center the axle, adjust the pinion up so there's not any binding. Yeah, that's pretty good. I mean, a lot of people skip this step, but yeah, I like to chop these perches off and center the axle. Do it right, you end up with no problems. So now I gotta take this bolt back out, the shackle back out, and then I need to fully weld this in here. I didn't want to fully weld it because I want to get this shackle angle correct. It's not really a rambler, so I'm gonna leave the shackle angle up. He's gonna use this for like construction and hauling materials and stuff, so at least some extra work, but pay off in the long run.